Who is she?
She is my friend.
What's her name?
Her name is Naina.
Does she know how to dance?
Yes, she is good at dancing.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Why is she running?
Because she is getting late.
Why are you laughing?
My friend cracked a joke.
Why are you crying?
My brother broke my toy.
What are you doing?
I'm skipping.
What happened?
I'm sick.
Why are you clapping?
I like the performance.
What do you want?
I want ice cream.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What do you prefer, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
What time do you eat breakfast?
Around 7:30 to 8.
What shows do you watch on TV?
I like comedy shows.
Who is at the door?
Someone is at the door.
Do you play any instrument?
Yes, I do. I play the guitar.